Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at the Jansno X70 moped style dual battery e-bike. This thing is pretty awesome. If you wanna know more about this, where to get it, make sure you stay tuned to today's video. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna give you my first impression right off the bat. It is an eye catcher. This thing looks really, really nice out on the road. Kind of looks like a little motorcycle. It's a moped style e-bike with two batteries. You got one right here, it looks like a gas can, but it's actually a very high powered battery. And then you have a secondary battery right there. So you do have two batteries on this. Now that's going to get you that super long range. I believe it's around 120 kilometers, which equates to about 75 miles on the range on this e-bike. Another thing I noticed, it does have a pretty long seat here and it's actually quite comfortable. This is great if you do want to have a second rider because this thing can handle up to 330 pounds. So you and a second rider, add you two up. If you're under 330, you could ride this comfortably without any issues at all. This thing does utilize a very, very big front headlight and it has these large 4-inch tires. These are 20 by 4-inch tires. So it is really designed for on-road and off-road. And you can tell that right off the bat, not only just because of the tires, but because of this suspension. You've got a big, huge front fork suspension, but you also have a monoshock suspension right underneath this little metal piece right here. There's a little suspension for the seat as well, which is a little bit hard to show on camera without riding it. I gotta tell you, this thing is fun to ride, comfortable. Handlebars are a little bit far for me at 6 feet tall, but you can adjust that a little bit as well. But if you like this style e-bike, the moped style, this thing is awesome. People were turning heads left and right in this thing, and I can totally see why. It's a good looking bike. A couple things I did want to mention that I didn't mention in the intro is these are a rubber kind of grips right here. So if you are doing long rides, you might feel a little bit of like, if you don't build up calluses or anything, you're gonna it's gonna rub quite a bit if you're holding onto this too tight, because it's not a super comfortable grip. It is a 7-speed shifter. I don't know if I mentioned that in the intro. So if you do want to ride this as a regular e-bike, you can do that as well. You don't have to use the throttle. You can prolong the life of your battery, especially if you're going downhill or on flat surfaces. You can use your gear shifter to assist you rather than the motor or the battery, which is really going to prolong the life of this. You can actually ride this a lot longer than the 75-mile range if you do it properly. There is a security feature on this as well. So it comes with these little cards, these NFC cards, and you can actually program your phone to do the same thing, but you can unlock your phone so you can unlock your panel. So this thing right here has the security feature as well. And I didn't mention that in the intro. I did want to mention that. Pretty cool that they have that. I love that they offered that. A lot of e-bikes are starting to do that because they're becoming targets for theft. And to have a security card to unlock it is a big deal because now people can't steal it. And these are heavy bikes. I mean, this has got to be close to 80 or 90 pounds. I don't know the exact weight, but it's a pretty heavy bike. It'd be really difficult to steal and pedal away if you didn't have the motor. So having that card is pretty cool little idea. Overall, guys, I give it a huge thumbs up. I do like these style e-bikes. It's not really my cup of tea personally, but I like the look of them. I know a lot of people really love these things. And if you want a fast e-bike, easily unlockable e-bike that can go really quick, on-road or off-road, this is a great option for you. Again, this is the Jansno X70. They have an X50, which has just one battery, and then they have the X60, which is kind of a unique futuristic style. I wanted to get that one, but they didn't have it available on their website at the time that I got this one. But you could check that one out as well. I'll put links to all of these down in the description section of the video. Super comfortable, guys. This is a fun ride. You can see the suspension here works pretty good. I like it. No complaints at all. Can't think anything wrong with this thing at all. Really think it's a cool bike. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.